1 minute. Welcome back. Welcome back. Guys, I got a little bit of an announcement. We have new sounds on the soundboard. Okay. We got the regular get out. Missed it. Got a few other things that we're gonna keep secret. No sound. What do you mean no sound? Well, we got a beautiful day today. Beautiful day today. Are y'all trolling? Can you guys hear me? What? Hello? Bro, yo, I'm okay. I'm all right. We're gonna go on a mass timeout right now. Here we go. Here we go. Cacked. Timeout. 10 minutes. DLBG. Timeout. 10 minutes. Oh yeah, there we go. Martin, timeout, 10 minutes. Eat that. All right, fellas. We got a beautiful, beautiful Asia session yesterday. And now we have a little bit of a interesting AM session. But you can see we had an absolutely dominant Asia. And we literally... we literally missed the low of the day. Right here. We had that shift in structure. Push. I did not anticipate a reversal there. I'm going to be honest. Closing a trade at the low of the day, I did not anticipate a reversal there. I literally caught the lowest of all lows of that range. So I did not anticipate that, but we have a beautiful day ahead of us, guys. We have a beautiful day ahead of us. We want to look at that 1 hour chart. Let's get rid of some of this drawings that we have. It looks to me like it wants to rebalance a little bit to the buy side. I'm bearish. But it does look to me like it wants to rebalance a little bit to an inefficiency and then take out these lows here. So what I'm going to look at right now is what am I asking price action to do where it's currently up 1.3%. I'm asking it to go up 2.2%. Go up an additional 0.7% to this inefficiency, then push down lower. What I want to see is 930 rip up and then push down lower. Grab out midnight open here. But there's one bad sign that we have. The fact that midnight open is still in play here could mean that it could be seek and destroy. So we could find a lot of a smaller of a trade, but we got to be patient. Everything's good, Bad Toast. Thank you. Did you log in to Tradeovate? Oh, W Mans. I was already logged in. Beautiful rip at 930. We want to see it continue up higher. We want to see it continue up higher here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. 1 second, guys, just logging in. All right. Look at this beautiful reaction to the upside. Again, I want to see price action draw up to these highs before we look for any trade. So we're going to draw at this high at least. And we want to see price action continue up higher before we look for some sells. But I do anticipate that we're going to have a little bit of manipulation in the buy side and then push down lower. Because that daily bias is still bearish, guys. Remember, that daily bias is still very much bearish. Ben cooked the 5-star meal yesterday, bro. That meal looked so... Did you see what it looked like? Bro, it was so good. If anyone has ever made mashed potatoes, bro, I'm telling you, you have to add Gruyere. You have to add Gruyere cheese and mascarpone cheese or whatever the fuck it's called. Oh my gosh, it makes it so much better. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. I made a dry aged ribeye for dinner. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Well, we want to see price action draw to these. Look at what we have here. All right. Look at this. What do you see? What in the obviousness of everything is right here? Relative equal lows. All right. What do you see at 9:30? Manipulation. Good, good. We're on the same page here, right? Look at this. Please tell me you guys already saw this before getting into this session. Please tell me you guys already had this in mind before I pointed it out. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful there. And you see that 9:30 manipulated up higher. Curl suit potentially, but we're not going to take that until it breaks down to here. It could easily continue up higher and leave that for after taking buy side. Plus, in this profile, we're only taking fair value gaps. In this profile, we are only taking fair value gaps. One secondo. See how it's pushing up higher? Give it some time, guys. Give it some time. We're gonna find beauty in this trading day. Beauty. Beauty. We're gonna be chilling for these relative equal lows. Now, again, what we want to see price action do though is take some sort of buy side liquidity because it's not rebalancing into a premium or a discount, right? I mean, I guess it could. Yeah, I mean, we have a range here. Yeah, so it's literally touching a premium right now. So beautiful. Will we it with that? This is a PD array, premium array, right here. That's where we want to see price draw to. The higher we push above here, the better it is for us for these lows. And look what is nesting below these lows right here, guys. This inefficiency. I don't think this is the low of this entire run. Right? You want to go to the 4 hour? I don't think that from this entire run, this is the low. Right before taking sell side. Right? I don't see that. We took these lows, but leaving that low, I don't see that. I see it's pushing up higher. And that's ideally what I want to see. It's rejecting off that premium, but I want to see it push into it. Moving nicely with oil. We watch these oil being bullish. I mean, yeah, I mean the hourly's bullish, but oil doesn't look too great after taking buy side liquidity. Does look like it wants to kind of reverse. But it did trade into this volume balance, and now it's pushing up higher. So I'm gonna stay away from oil today. I'm not gonna use it. Yes, everything's good, Peyton. Thank you for asking. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. We're gonna find a beautiful trade today. It's a shame because yesterday there was such a beautiful trade I could have easily caught. Second. By the way, guys, the Tradeify 2.0 or 3.0 version is out now. They have a crazy amount of new everything. New everything. Go check it out. Ow, my back hurts. But again, we want to be patient here, guys. We want to look for sell side liquidity. But we want to see 830 or 930 draws a little bit up higher. But again, we are so bearish. Look at all these lows. Look at all these lows. We have sell side literally waiting for us. So the higher we push at 930, the better. Pass my eval with your help. Thank you, Ben. Do you have any advice for traders starting an Express? Don't expect to make money. Just expect to learn. Your goal should be to learn. One second, guys. I'm checking Forex calendar. Today is what? Tuesday? Yeah. Today is Tuesday. And we got 10 a.m. Jolts jobs openings. All right. 10 a.m. news, which is probably what it's going to wait for to reverse down to the sell side liquidity. We'll see, though. It is chopping very nicely and rejecting at 9:30 after taking buy side. So we're going to be patient. I'm not trading 30 seconds chart. Of yesterday. The trade we caught yesterday was very, very clean. You can see we had a range here. I gotta like put it here. You can see we had a beautiful range here. Right? Where is it? From here to here. And you see price action trades up into a premium. Taking buy side liquidity. And now trades lower. After doing that accumulation manipulation, and that's at market open manipulation. So power of 3 Asian session. Distribution, institutional flow entry drilled into that fair value gap. I entered into short when the body closed. And then beautiful distribution to the lows. That's it. Right now, again, we're going to be a little bit patient. We need a displacement below these lows. We're not going to be taking anything up here. But again, I'm very bearish going to this 10 a.m. Everybody, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, you caught that in Asian? Yes, I did. Asian session was beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to be starting to stream Asia on TikTok now. I'm going to go back to my TikTok Asia streams. Beautiful rip to the upside there, guys. Beautiful rip to the upside. I do want to see price action continue up a little bit higher here. And ideally wait until the macro for us to reverse. But again, I want to see those lows getting taken today. I want to see those lows getting taken. That is my ideal scenario. Everybody like up that stream. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Everyone help like up that stream. She's all good, Nathan. Thank you. Patience is absolutely everything. That was a beautiful, beautiful win yesterday. Beautiful trade. Not crazy, not big, but it was just beautiful. Again, we want to see price action turn up just a little bit more here. This little chop at 930 isn't doing it. By the way, guys, Apex Trader Funding is 90% off. Lucid's 50 and Tradeify, I believe, is 40 with a brand new version of their firm. Patience is everything, guys. Let's see what the updates for Tradeify 3.0 is. No more subscriptions, one-time purchase. That's huge. Up to $90,000 in elite live reward pools. Rhythmic plus Trade C is now supported. New 25K account starting at $59. Wow, that's with the discount. That's with code Ben. Hold up to 10 evals at once. Wow, that's huge. You can have 10 evals now. Instant funding account activation. Instant funding account activation. Oh, it's instant. Okay. Built-in trading pool. Trading journal with real-time data. Okay. Damn. Okay, I would say the best updates is trading 10 accounts. That is insane. 10 accounts and no subscriptions, a one-time purchase. That's crazy. Other than that, everything else is kind of like a generic update. But 10 accounts, no other firm other than Apex does that. What firm is that? Tradeify. Should I try to get a Fortnite creator code? Lucid is good as well. Yeah, they have one-time purchase. But again, we want to see price action continue down lower. We're looking at this bullish momentum as nothing but fake. Look at these relative equal highs getting wiped out at 930, right? You can see these relative equal highs wiped out. Now we have relative equal lows engineered later. We're going to need to wait for a break of structure and a fair value gap, though, guys. We got to be patient. Got to be patient. One of the most important things is patience and waiting and knowing what you're looking for, knowing what you're waiting for, and knowing the statistics behind waiting on it. Patience is everything, guys. Wow, so they do Rhythmic, Sierra Chart, Quantower, and Trade C. Wow. Yes, just took previous day high. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have a new 15-minute candle. We want to see kind of that high get retested one more time here, and then we sweep lower. Let's see. Yes. And no crazy manipulation going on here. All right, beautiful rally up on that new 15-minute candle. We have a bunch of lows nested for us to break structure with. We have these lows that we're definitely going to be targeting. We're not going to be looking for anything other than these lows here today. 10 a.m. news, yep. Guys, just be patient. Today is one of those days where patience is going to pay off. One second. 4 hour looks bullish though, you have to look at what price action is doing in this range. Right? It's bearish. It's leading the sell side. It looks like it's shifting structure. It's going to take a high, then push down lower. Look at all those engineered lows. The 4 hour might look bullish, but what does the daily chart look like? One bullish candle and a bearish rally. Same thing with this, right? You're looking at this chart. What do you see? Clear bullishness. Are you going to anticipate a reversal here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Rally low, form a low, rally up higher, break that low here? Yes. We had a displacement above that candle now. We are now in a premium. We broke that high, which is beautiful. We're now approaching buy side liquidity and in a premium. Again, we still have 10 a.m. and it's not even the macro. Hebrews 2:9, but we see him who was made lower than the angel for a little while, named Jesus, crowned with glory and honor because of grace of God. Amen, brother. 4 hour is bearish. I'm bearish. I'm bearish, fellas. I'm bearish. Good afternoon. Good morning. Again, I want to see price action continue up a little bit higher. We're now in a premium. I want to take buy side liquidity, trade into a PD array, which is a premium array right here, premium or discount array. And I want to see a draw to these relative equal lows that we have here. You can see one thing to give you confirmation that it's not bullish is what time do we start ripping? From here. There's 9:30 open. 9:30 open right here. Okay. It retests it here, then rips up higher since. There's no sell side. It's manipulation. It's power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Patience. We're going to find a beautiful setup today. Patience, patience, patience. You guys believe? I believe. That's funny, Ollie. Dude, I want to go witness one of his public speeches. I'm going to say, hey, Powell, when are you gonna stop fucking up the markets? When are you gonna bring back the old markets? I'm gonna say smile if it's bullish next FOMC. I'll go smile if you're cutting rates. Every time I'm at the blackjack table, I always go smile if you're gonna bust. Again, we're bearish, guys. We gotta be patient. Yeah, she's okay. Thank you for asking, you guys. One second, fellas. Look at that rip. Beautiful. Beautiful. We love to see it. We have buy side liquidity there that we're taking. We also have this high that we want to take. And we want to see sell side deliver to these relative equal lows. This is beautiful, guys. This is going to be beautiful. The daily inefficiency. Yep. Tradeify number 1 now. They're close. They're close, dude. Tradeify is a really good firm now after this update. With their 10 accounts, I would say... Listen, I still think Apex is number 1. I would say Tradeify is tied with Lucid now. I would say Tradeify is tied with Lucid now. Dude, this update is huge. 10 accounts? 10 accounts is massive. With code Ben, it's 40% off. Apex discount right now is 90% off. Again, we want to see price action continue down lower here. Beautiful, beautiful reaction. We have not taken buy side liquidity, so maybe actually I want to see it push up. Again, we are in that 950 macro now, so ideally we should be taking buy side before 10 a.m. $10 accounts, are you for real? Yeah, Tradeify, you can have 10 accounts now. I think the meta, chat, is 20 Apex accounts 5 Lucid, 10 Tradeify. Copy trade, all of that. Crazy. I don't think you can have 10, brother. Go look at the new update. SMT with yes. Again, I want to see price action break this high here with the NQ. We are in a premium, so any reversal now would be valid, but we want to see price action ideally break the high. Ideal scenario is there. Well, we're going to be very, very patient. Everyone, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. I live stream every AM session. Accumulate over 500K in payouts on live stream. And I have a live stream at the Einstein of Wall Street at 5 p.m. April 8th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Me and the Einstein of Wall Street and David Green are doing a free live stream for you guys on this channel. Go sign up for that stream. It's completely free. I will post a link for you guys to sign up. If you sign up, you'll be eligible to win $50,000 worth of giveaways and exclusive things from Wall Street. Sign up. If you guys are not signed up already, 100% do so. Again, we want to see price action continue a little bit up higher here before we draw to these relative equal lows that we have nested here. We have midnight open here as well that I got reference with. We're going to find a beautiful entry for short today. Can I watch the stream without signing up? Yes, but you won't be eligible for any giveaways. By the way, make sure if you're doing a giveaway, use an email that works, or else you won't be able to get your account. Beautiful reaction to the upside there, chat. Beautiful reaction to the upside. I want to see it continue down lower here. I want to see price continue down lower. Also, fellas, if you go to the announcements on my Discord, I need y'all to do me a favor. I need y'all to vote for the company I put in my announcements on my Discord. Again, I want to see price action trade into this inefficiency here, which is going to be beautiful. Right? Again, we have relative equal lows there. Let me just make sure I'm not fooling myself. Okay. Imagine if NQ traded into that inefficiency and MNQ didn't, and I was waiting for that to happen, and in the meantime, missing entries. That would have been insane. Beautiful. We're about to take that high now, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got to be patient. We're going to find a beautiful delivery to sell side. We are still anticipating that this is going to be power of 3, accumulation of orders, manipulation of buyers, distribution of sellers to these relative equal lows. The daily profile is still bearish, although right now we are bullish. We have midnight open that we can reference, all these low resistance liquidity runs, and these triple relative equal lows that we want to go test. We are trading into a premium, so we're not going to be taking any longs, and we just have a beautiful rally and a daily inefficiency right here as well that we're trading into prior to Jolt's job openings in 5 minutes. So we have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful profile today. Mate, pack it in. Those were either. Wait, let's see if he's a rage baiter first. Hold on. Yeah, I've learned my lesson before I read messages like this. No, it's not a rage baiter. It's actually a weirdo. May pack it in. Those were easy longs. You need to maybe change your model. Wait, Camelot, I wanted to see it. You need to maybe trade support and resistance. The fuck did you just say? Support and resistance? Support and resistance? Ew. Don't ever mention those words in my stream ever. No. Bella, good morning. Big 25 talking about support and resistance. Beautiful reaction. We ideally, again, I wanted to see buy side being taken, but any reversal at this point will be okay. By the way, guys, Apex is 90% off. Lucid 50, Tradeify 3.0, which is a huge new update, is 40% off as well. All with code Ben. Ben, how is it called the indicators on your charts? I don't have any indicators. I did support resistance when I was 13. That's funny because that's exactly what I did when I was 13. I started trading when I was 13 and I used support resistance and all that. And all I did was I was going like this and I was trying to draw imaginary trend lines and be like, oh, we just broke out of it. I'm going to long. Like, is this a support and resistance long right now? We should full port shorts. News. Yeah, no, we have Jolt's job opening very shortly. So ideally, I would want to see price action at Jolt's job openings go like this. Boom. Break the structure to low. Fair value gap. Sell side liquidity. That's midnight open. Sell side liquidity relative equal lows. That's what we're looking for right now. That would be a beautiful, beautiful profile. That's what we want to see. Yes, took these highs. Okay. We have 1 minute. 1 minute until 10 a.m., guys. 10 a.m. reversal would be beautiful. That would be an actual beauty. Dude, I'm not even kidding. If price action takes us high and then starts reversing and we catch it to these relative equal lows, that'd be one of the most beautiful trades I've seen in a long time. And to be honest, the way the market's profile have been for the past months, like the past 6 months or whatever, I think we deserve something like that. I think we deserve a giveaway. The market's doing a giveaway. Everybody go vote for that company that I posted in announcements, please. It'll help a lot. Keep an eye on the 4-hour SIBI. I am just super bearish. I'm anticipating everything here. You see, the 4-hour SIBI is also the daily SIBI. It's not a PD array on the daily chart, but it is a PD array on the 1 hour. You can see it's in a premium from that 1 hour range. Beautiful, beautiful. Barely wicked it. Imagine top tech taking a short right now. Top ticking it. Don't do that, please. We're going to wait for inefficiencies to be disrespected. We're going to wait for price action, break structure to the downside. It is 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. delivered us above the high, which is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Exactly what we've been wanting to see. You got to be patient, though. All right. Good things come to those who wait. We're going to wait for our system, wait for our setup. Yeah, that Tradeify discount is absolutely crazy, guys. Do not miss out on that 3.0 new Tradeify. 10 accounts, wild. Why is it not a PD array on the daily? So PD array means premium and discount array. All right. Why is it not a daily PD array? Well, where's our most recent swing high? Right here. Where's our most recent swing low? Right here. That fair value gap isn't a discount. This is a PD array. This is just an inefficiency. But if you go to the 1 hour and you grab a range from that high to this low, you can see we're in a premium. So that's a PD array. Premium discount array. What's wrong with support and resistance? If you use it correctly, then it works, unlike your model. Get out! Wait, what's this audio? Okay. I'm not even gonna answer that. That's like saying like, no, I'm not even gonna answer that, bro. That's just elite level rage bait. If you were saying anything other than support and resistance, maybe I'd be arguing with you, but like, nah, bro. Nah. That's like, that's high cortisol type of conversations. ICT traders can argue with order flow and VWAP and all of that, but like support and resistance, bro, you're not even in the party. You see ICT arguing with like order flow traders and shit. Bookmap and all of this and then there's the support resistance on the side, like at the very back going, hey, fuck you too. She's like adding in the little bit of a diss. What's my favorite cigar right now? Oh, I had a really good one the other day. I gotta pull up the photo. I forgot what it was called. Oh, here it is. Hold on. It was called the Ramos. Hold on. The Ramon Alonez. Ramon Alonez limited edition 2024. This one was amazing. Okay, amazing. And then I was jealous of this because it wasn't mine, but this one looks beautiful. This is a Romeo and Julieta Reserve. Oh my gosh, that one was insane. That one is insane. Lily, thank you for the subscription. Ben, you're bad. I miss this long after touching support now or resistance. Okay, I gotta sneeze. Again, we want to be patient, guys. We want to see price action break structure to the downside. There's no short entry, but we are anticipating that we're gonna go to these relatively lows here. Do you have a cheap cigar suggestion for broke boys? Like, what do you mean cheap cigar? Like, what's your price range? Because you can get a really, really good cigar for around $50. The limited, okay, daily really, really good cigars are like $50, $60, $40. The ones that I smoke are limited edition, so they're like $200, $300, $400 for $4. And it was really good. It was good. Damn. Swishers are 2 for $99. Like 25 to 20 to 35 range. Okay, so you wouldn't go for a Cuban, you'd go for a Dominican. Something like the My Father the Judge or the Blue, or a Padron, or yeah. Go for Dominican. Like a high quality Dominican. If you're gonna get Cuban, it's gonna be $50 or more. So the good Dominicans are My Father's, Davidoff's, and Padron's. And then Opus. Fuentes. Ben, you think it's going to go up a bit more? Yeah, I think it's going to retest this high one more time. That's barely a liquidity sweep. That's relatively cool highs. That's not even a liquidity sweep. Right? We want to see price action push up higher one more time before we anticipate sell side liquidity here. But we could find an entry if it's gonna break structure, right? The one thing we're gonna look at is how it reacts to this inefficiency. We have a lot of room to find a trade, so. Yes, I'm looking for shorts. We just got to be patient, guys. We're going to find a beautiful entry here. You got to be patient. Rocky Patel's not that good. I don't think I've ever had a good Rocky Patel, regardless of which one they have. I actually have a connection to Rocky Patel himself. One of the guys at my lounge, he's friends with him. Romeo and Juliet is good for $10. You're thinking of the Dominican Romeo and Julieta. Romeo and Julieta is a Cuban company, and they made fake Dominicans for the United States. You cannot get a Cuban for under $10 unless you're in Cuba. Monte Cristo. Monte Cristos are great, but again, only get the Cuban. Okay, so Monte Cristo, Romeo and Julieta, Cohiba, all those are Cuban brands. Don't get the Dominican version in the States. The Opus Fuente, the Fuente Opus X is really good. Bro, Raheem, you're in a one-man show here, my man. You might want to go to a different stream and try to convince people that support resistance works. I have a bunch of Bahikes still. Cohiba Bahikes. Oh, you know what's really good? A really good Dominican cigar that you guys should get. It's like $20. It's a Oliva V Millennial. The Oliva V Millennial. Patience, guys. We're going to find some beautiful delivery to Southside. We're in that 15-minute inefficiency, so you don't want to be taking shorts, or 5-minute inefficiency, so you do not want to be taking shorts right now. But we're going to find shorts soon. Have you taken a trade? No, not yet. One of my favorite cigars, though, is a Costa Rican cigar called Atabes. And then I have the Open Eagle Monte Cristos. Those are good as well. I want to short. Yeah, I want to wait for that 5-minute inefficiency to be disrespected first, though. Bro just casually went into the YouTube chat and told everyone that his uncle's in the mafia. Monte Cristo's, every Cuban's going to be expensive. Right? Every Cuban is going to be over $40. Depending on the size that you're getting, but. All right, Raheem, bro, you're getting timed out. That's enough of the support resistance talk. I'll give you 10 minutes. Padrones are good. But again, nothing compares to a Cuban. You know what's really good? Rare pinks. Rare pinks. If you can find rare pinks, those are really good. No, I don't. I don't use VWAP. I'm on the minute chart right now, but that fair value gap's marked out on the 5-minute, and I'm waiting for price action to disrespect that before we look for some shorts. Again, right now it's a situation where you just sit and wait for a little bit extra confirmation. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to do anything. Do not need to force or do anything, guys. Also, fellas, make sure that you signed up for that stream. I have a free stream with the Einstein of Wall Street, guys. A free stream with the Einstein of Wall Street, David Green, on this YouTube page, and we're giving away $50,000 worth of funded accounts. Make sure you sign up so you're eligible for the giveaways. That's all it is for. You can still watch the stream if you don't sign up, but it's for giveaways. Look at that reaction off that 5-minute inefficiency. Does that look like we want to sell off? No, it looks like we want to retest that high one more time, then look for relative equal lows here. But again, I'm not going to be bullish. I'm not going to look for longs. So many Gmails. Oh my gosh, none of you guys have any business emails? I can't find one business email. Or like Outlook. I see one. Oh, I just found my dad. That's funny. You own a cigar shop? No way. Wait, Alex. That's funny because the name of my lounge was called Black Dragon. It's closed down now. Alright, sign up for the stream. I just posted the link in chat. I'll do it one more time, but last time. Again, patience is everything, guys. We're going to find a beautiful entry to sell side. We can see we're trading into this inefficiency and react off of it. Let's see what that is on this range here. To a premium. Beautiful reaction. We want to see displacement below this low, disrespecting this fair value gap. Then we look for a trade. Until then, we're just going to be patient, guys. We're going to wait for the right opportunity. The right opportunity will deliver the right things. We just need to be patient. That's all we have to do, guys. Patience pays. Patience pays. We're going to find an entry in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I bet. Who is this random? There's so many random day traders, bro. Like some people that are not anywhere in the space. Like so many randos. We gotta be patient, guys. We're gonna find a beautiful entry. How can I mark midnight open? You go to midnight, you grab you got a line, you draw it out from the open of the midnight candle. Yeah, we want to see price action continue down lower. We're definitely bearish for those relative equal lows, but we want to see price action give us that displacement to the downside. No entry yet. Emmy. Patience, guys. By the way, also alpha futures is what right now? I don't know how. Let me check prop firm gain. Prop firm gain. All right, we got alpha futures is 15% off. Bro, Eddie's easy and Turbo's trading style is the same. I don't think Eddie's is the same. Trading Kahoot? No, bro. Bro, you always be asking me to host the most random things just for people to do giveaways. Again, we want to see price action continue down lower, break structure to the sell side. It's a beautiful reaction of retesting that inefficiency. Now we want to see price action continue down lower. Break structure right there. We need to break structure right there, and then we're going to find a beautiful short. Midnight open of New York time zone, my man. Does it update deals automatically? Yes, but every 12 hours. Beautiful reaction right there. Beautiful reaction at consequent encroachment. Look at it 3 times right there. Once it breaks structure, we could get into a short. Honestly, I'm probably going to find a short here off that fair value gap reaction. Who's this? Thunder Bay. Who is that? One second. No short. We're going to find a displacement to the low, guys. You don't understand what consistency rules are? It's so simple. It's going to resweep buy side. Yeah, it barely traded to that inefficiency. I anticipated that too. And you don't like take profit trader. I just like they're not there for me to promote them. Like I could probably make a lot of money promoting them because a lot of people use them, but they're just not there. You know, they're not better than these 3 firms. Keep getting messages, bro. Let me send you a helmet? No. Also, I won that trade, so I don't have to do the punishment. But again, we got to be patient, guys. We're going to find a beautiful short. We just have to be patient. The time will come. The time will come. Again, wait for price action to probably retest this high. It could also be a failure swing. So anything is valid as long as we get a break of structure here. And disrespect this 5-minute. We just need to see a break of structure and disrespect that 5-minute. That's it. One second. Guys, you need to understand the group out there. They have private room indicators courses to sell. You can ask them for free shit. Over here, Ben explains each trade. That's more than free stuff. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it, Amy. Ben, where's the helmet? I'm not supposed to be wearing a helmet. We won that trade. Remember? We won the trade. We lost the first trade, spun the wheel, landed on a helmet, then we won the next trade. We closed at profit. Guys, again, do not forget to register for the stream, for the Einstein on Wall Street and David Green stream, April 8th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Do not forget to register. It's pinned as well. Gotta be patient. Look at YM. Don't tell me. Ugh. Look, that's why we don't take that first presented fair value gap. We wait for our failure swing. Now we have a failure swing. Do we have SMT on that? No. That would have been beautiful if we would have had that. Hey, Riley with the $2. Thank you. No, I wouldn't even put that helmet on for $1,500, bro. Bro, he's saying nothing about 10 accounts. What do you mean? Tradeify has 10 accounts now. Registered, look into it. You register to be eligible for the giveaways, brother. Oil moving sideways, yeah. Name your price and okay, bro. Stop. Keep your money, bro. Again, we want to see price action continue down below these lows. Again, we are not going to be chasing in any longs here, guys. We're going to be patient. This does not look like a bullish rally. This looks like manipulation that's drifting all the way until 10:30. Yes, she is. Thank you, brother. They trade other pairs. Sometimes I trade gold and oil. But again, we got to be patient. I say this all the time, guys. Don't be forcing any entries just because you feel like it. You need to wait for a break of structure. If you took this fair value gap without a break of structure, nope, you would have lost. Right? Again, we need to wait for a break of structure. It's just looking like it's reacting off that 5 minute and then trading up higher. And it barely took buy side liquidity. I want to see it kind of push up. It does look like a new an open low high close on that hourly chart though. So we got to be patient, guys. If we don't find shorts, then we don't find shorts. But those relative equal lows are definitely going to get taken eventually. Definitely going to get taken eventually, guys. Definitely. And I'm pretty confident on that those relative equal lows are going to be taken. So we're going to wait for it while we can. But if nothing happens, then we're going to jump off. It's the right thing to do. Hold on here for a second. Hold your horses. 29, 28. Oh. 29. What? Wow. I made quite a bit of money this month. Hey, Michael with the $5. Thank you, brother Ben. God bless you, and thank you for sharing your knowledge. Thank you. I appreciate the $5, my brother. God bless. Yesterday was a lunch drop. Yeah, I know. But again, look at this consolidation that we have. Do you see bullish distribution after taking a buy side? Not really. We're going to wick up above this high one more time, and then just, we need to break structure below that low. That's a no-brainer. What's up with the Lambo? I denied it, bro. Because did you not hear I got a connection to get a Porsche GT3 RS at MSRP? So I'm gonna wait a couple months and then buy that in cash. I'd any day of the week take a brand new Porsche GT3 RS over a 2016 Lamborghini Huracan. And it's only 100K more. Don't jump off. I'm not gonna jump off, but I do have to go later on. I have a lunch, but I shouldn't be taking that long. Lime green, no, I'm gonna go with the white and black one, the GT3 RS. I'll show you what I'm gonna look for, guys. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful, and you know why I'm gonna go for it. Look, Porsche GT3 RS. Where is it? I could go with the red one. But this is the one that I want, right here. Maybe without the blue rims, but the one that's in that movie, or the red one. The red one's low key nice as well. The red and black. Oh, that's dirty. They're all dirty, dude. Maybe just all black, to be honest. I like this one the most. But I can get any of them factory. Yeah, I'm gonna get it in ideally probably gonna get it in black or this colorway. I don't really love the green. It's too much. Everything's good unknown. Thank you, brother. Make a custom Porsche on their website. Yeah, but you wouldn't be able to get it. Like all MSRP Porsches are sold out, except unless you have a connection, and I have a connection. I got one. Like I said, guys, it's not what you know, it's who you know. That's how you live life. Amazing. I know, Ben. Bro, Tradeify can show you where it's used 10 accounts, please. Bro, literally just search up. Just search it up. Search up Tradeify 3.0. It should be able to say it there. Everyone's posting about it. But you always say it's about who you know. Any advice on how to get yourself in the right position? Put yourself out there. Put yourself out there. Literally force yourself out there. Eventually, you're going to find the right person. Yeah, I'm not going to get a McLaren, though. Okay, we got to be patient, guys. It's really slowing down, but we're going to find a beautiful reversal to the sell side. What I'm anticipating is going to happen here is like boom, 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 push. Oh, not that way. The fuck? Something like this. Sell side liquidity right there. That looks so obvious that we're selling off, guys. Come on. Lock in. I mean, if he can get me a Porsche for under MSRP, then yeah. The GT3 RS. Do you think the Peter mentorship is worth buying? What the fuck is the Peter mentorship? Who the fuck is Peter? The Peter mentorship? Who the fuck? Bro, what? Peter Watik, Peter Piper, Peter Griffin. Oh, Peter Tuchman. I thought for a second, I was like, who's Peter? What are you talking about? Okay. The Peter Tuchman, because it's not his mentorship. It's David Green's and it's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. That's why I was like, who's Peter? What the fuck is Peter? Watch the free live stream that we're doing. And if you find it useful for psychology, risk management, all that, then try it out. It's like $30. How come we don't use turtle soup as much anymore? Because the market conditions are terrible. It's only supposed to be for higher probability market conditions. Again, we're going to find a beautiful short, guys. You've got to be patient. Nothing is going to come if you're not patient. Are you controlling the markets manually? Yep. Again, no displacement below this low right here. But I was $100 away from my first payout, and now I've lost 3 trades in a row, and I'm $600. So I'm $600 away. You are tripping, bro. You're only $600 away. Like, why are you upset? You're fine. You feel okay. How did you feel when you were $600 away for the first time? When you were $600 away for the first time on those accounts, how did you feel? You probably felt confident. Now that you're $600 away after you got $100 away, you're probably scared. That's how you blow your account. You still need to be confident. Trade with the same psychology. Canon event incoming. Oh, you know how many times that happened, bro? Once I was trading 150Ks and I was $10 away. $10. I get into short, and as soon as I click that button, it rips up higher. All I need was $10. As soon as I click that button, it rips up higher, and then I lose $300, and I lose 400, and then I lose 2,000, and then I blow the accounts from $10. Okay, we're now back into that daily inefficiency, guys. We want to find a beautiful reversal. We're not going to anticipate there, but we will anticipate this. Look at that reaction. It wicks that high, instantly rips lower. Instantly rips lower. Beautiful. By the way, guys, Apex is 90% off of CoBen. Also, if you use CoBen, it gets rid of the consistency rule in the combine. And then Lucid Trading is also 40% off of CoBen, and the new Tradeify 3.0 is 40% off of CoBen. Yeah, it's funny. Like it's funny because sometimes it feels like the market's out to get you, right? You have a 5-day or an 8-day winning streak. You're winning every trade for 8 days, and then you're one trade away from getting a payout, and then you lose. Or you're like, you're so close to a payout. You have a trade. You need to win this trade for a payout. You're in it. And it goes like this. Like, you know how many times that has happened to me right before a payout or passing an account? It's like it knows. It's like the market knows for some reason. S&T with yes, beautiful. Yeah, I'm very bearish right now, guys. I'm not going to try to top tick it, though. Actually, very tempting. Very tempting to top tick it. I kind of want to top tick it. Good. I don't know, chat. That looks like a top tick. I'm gonna take a turtle soup. If we form a fair value gap here, I'm taking... Oh, well, never mind. My law with turtle soups is it has a 4-minute inefficiency, and it is technically breaking 1-minute structure, but I'm not taking it right now. No fair value gap. No fair value gap. No fair value gap, no trade. That's a shame. It cancels out the fair value gap, then it rips lower. Wow. Okay, we have an inefficiency here we can take. We're going to take this trade here, guys. Most likely going to get in short here. Want to see it start rejecting a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Order filled.
Let's go for it. Let's go for it, chat. We waited long enough. It is time. It is time. Also, guys, if the markets can be like this for a few more days, I'm going to start trading my live capital. Not funded accounts. Patience. Why? Because the markets are clearing up and live funds pay me better because I can make payouts every day. I get a winning trade. Although I make more money with funded accounts, it's a lot harder to make money because you have a payout process. And now that I have a lot of money to risk, I can make close to it of how much money I would make on funded accounts. Like, I'd be risking $1,000 of live capital per trade. A 3RR is 3K on a day. But you see, I'm not risking that heavy. Why am I not risking that heavy right now, guys? Why? I want to see if someone can answer this question correctly. Why am I not risking that heavy right now? Ben, this is such a clean short. Why are you not risking heavy? Why? Minimum recommend for live accounts is 5K. Risk management? No. Well, it falls under risk management, yeah, but it's not the reason. Still above 5 minute? No. Bad market conditions? No. Low probability? No. Low probability volatile markets? No. Low probability? No. No break? I'm preserving capital to add positions in later. Why? Well, we have a lot of room here. We don't need to be this greedy. We don't need to benefit off of 4R. But what we do need to do is use it to our advantage by starting with lower risk and increasing risk as we move down in trailer stop losses because we have a lot of room. If we stop adding positions here, we're still going to have a huge amount of profit. So this is my first initial entry, but I'm going to add more positions once it breaks this low, and I can drag my stop loss to that high, I'm going to add more positions once I can drag to break even. It's a multiple entry, multiple position entry. It didn't take a buy side. Yeah, it did, bro. That's buy side right there. One second. One second. Beautiful reaction so far. Conservative. So if it was very clean market conditions for the past few months, I'd be a lot more aggressive and just add all my entries at the top. But because the market conditions, although this current day is really clean, because the market conditions have been low probability and the times of war and the prices of oil and everything, it's just, you want to play a little bit more on the conservative side right now. But we have a beautiful entry there so far. Beautiful reaction to sell side. Beautiful. Once we body below that low, we can add a little bit more contracts there. There, we're going to sell. We're going to add more contracts. Just give it a bit. Three, two, one. Beautiful body. So
order filled.
All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our stop loss. We're gonna drag it to the high that we formed here. Now we are risking less but winning more because we added more positions but dragged our stop loss way smaller. We're risking less but winning more now. Patience is everything, guys. Just read, let the trade play out, have confidence in it, and let it play. Just relax, guys. Patience is everything. By the way, guys, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button. I live stream every AM session and now sometimes PM and Asian on TikTok. I'm the first day trader on YouTube to have a live stream with Peter Tuchman and David Green, exclusive on this channel. Do not miss out on that. You can register with the link that's pinned or that link right there. It's completely free. Einstein of Wall Street, Peter Tuchman. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's do it. Beautiful reaction to the downside so far. We're going to be dragging our stop loss to break even once we probably attack those lows there. We're disrespecting the 5-minute and the 15-minute. Hopefully. We're in a 15-minute. We're in a 15-minute inefficiency. I want to see it continue down lower more. Patience is everything, guys. Don't worry about that reaction. We dragged our stop loss, so risk is majority covered. That 15-minute reaction I don't love, but it should be more dominant to sell side after that buy side reaction. But if it does react off this 15-minute, then I would not be bullish. I would not be bearish if it reacts off of it, because then it grabbed more liquidity to continue up higher. But we should still be fine. We have a point of reference to drag our stop loss now if it reps down lower. It's so hot in my room. I'm dying. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, beautiful reaction to the downside there, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful reaction. Let it ride. Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna go to these relative equal lows. I know it is. We caught a beautiful entry. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beauty. Price action today was actually nice. Yeah, dude. Even in Asian session, it was nice. Look at this power of 3, guys. Look at this beautiful power of 3. If I wasn't streaming, you knew I would have caught this already. Look at that market structure shift. Oh, look at this. Accumulation, manipulation, last leg manipulation at 930. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. And an open, relative equal lows. This is the most perfect... This is the most perfect power of 3 setup I think I've ever seen in my entire life. In my entire life. I've never seen a cleaner. Like, I've been trading power of 3 for probably close to 5 years. Triple relative equal lows. Last leg of manipulation at 930. Daily SIBI. Market structure shift. IO Fed. Premium. Distribution to the downside. I don't think I've ever seen anything cleaner than this. Ever. We're going to drag our stop loss to break even now. Is it okay to take partials? Of course, if you want. I'm not taking partials right now. It's in that 1050 macro. I want to see some more speed being in play here to the downside. Beautiful reaction. Everyone make sure to hit the subscribe button. Beautiful reaction. We're resting up close to $5,000 on the trade right now. Look at that reaction right there, dude. So beautiful. So beautiful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Go check up on Eddie. Patience is everything, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lovely, lovely, lovely trade, dude. It's that macro. I want to see more speed. Thank you so much for this trade. Anytime, brother. Anytime. Come into the stream and you'll get another one. We're up 5K right now. We're up 5K. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. What a great way to end the month, man. What a great way to end the month. I have not lost a trade yet since I've turned 20. Guys, I have not lost a trade since I've turned 20. Beautiful reaction, dude. A 5K. We're gonna take some partials off here.
Order filled.
All right. Profito on the day, no matter what. Next partial minute open, final TP, relative equal lows. W in the chat, guys. W in that chat. Yeah, taking my frontal lobe hasn't even developed yet, and I'm this good at trading. Just wait until my frontal lobe develops, guys. Wow. Absolutely lovely. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that, man. Off. What a beautiful, beautiful trade we are catching right now. Type 1 if you're still in this trade. I wonder where that fucking support and resistance guy is. Wow. Wow. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful price action. Couldn't ask for anything better. This is one of the best trades I think I've ever had in my life. If this goes to full TP, it will be probably one of the best trades I think I've ever had in my entire life. And I've had longer trades than 4RR, but the reason why I say one of the best trades, imagine if we would have top ticked it too. The reason why I say that is because it's the cleanest power of 3 profile I've ever seen in my life. It takes a lot for me to say that. But I don't think I've ever seen anything cleaner than this. If your mentor claims that they trade power of 3 and did not take this short, then you need to unsubscribe to them. Because anybody that trades power of 3 would have taken this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just an absolute stunning trade. This is like 10 out of 10. A+++. 10 out of 10 trade. This is unbelievable. Look at this, dude. It just doesn't stop. It's going for the full target. This is justified glazing, bro. This is just what, like, I don't think I've seen more beautiful price action. Look at our entry here. Look at our entry here. The 2 fair value gap entries we got. I don't think if only I added to that turtle soup there too. Oh, that would have been beautiful. I just want to see it deliver at least a minute open here. I have to go in 10 minutes, guys. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I live stream every AM session on YT, Benjamin_SMC. Let's get a little TikTok. Everybody spam W right now. A little story post. Spam W, guys. We are in the most beautiful short I've ever seen in my life on stream. Everyone catching it. Absolutely lovely position. Don't miss out. All right. We should continue down lower here. We have 11 AM coming up soon. One 137. Beautiful. Damn, it's just melting. Yep. Patience, guys. We're gonna drag our stop. There we go. I really hope this goes to full TP because this would be the most beautiful trade I've ever taken in my life. But if it reverses, it can reverse. Ben, you just got me my first funded account. You're the GOAT. Hey, thank you, brother. I'm not the GOAT, though. Price is the GOAT. Everyone is struggling so badly right now in this economy. Thank you, Ben. Hey, anytime, guys. Anytime. Anytime, anywhere. Come to Benjamin at SMC's stream if you want to make some money. I would like if we had pushed down here because then I could drag my stop loss there. It's 1 minute prior to 11 AM, so it's going to have a little bit of manipulation. You want to see hard distribution in 30 seconds. I really have to go, though, guys. I'm going to be late for my lunch. $20 seconds, guys. W support and resistance trade. Whoever was in here with me while your stream was loading, we literally called this trade, really? I mean, I called it too. I said we're going to push up higher, take this high, then push down lower. Launch with market makers? Yep. Okay, I want to see distribution to the downside. If not, I'm probably going to close. Partially because I have to go. Yeah, guys, I'm probably going to close this trade, man. I got to go. I know it's like, I'm not going to close. It's a 5-minute fair value gap. I'm going to give it a 5 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to run. I have to go in 5 minutes. In this 5-minute fair value gap, I'm going to let it trade off of it. But other than that, we have a beautiful trade. Ben, I just passed my alpha account. I won from you last week. Let's go, brother. I love to hear that. We're getting a PM stream. Well, maybe. Depends on the market, so I'll let you know. It'll be on TikTok. Might be a little bit later than 110. I'll let you guys know. Beautiful reaction right there, guys. Absolute love. Straight love on this trade. Yeah, it's probably going to get stopped out, so I'm probably going to close out on this. That's a shame. It was one of the most beautiful trades I think I've ever seen in my life. This reversal is heartbreaking. But we still made a lot of money on it. I'll tell you exactly how much money we made. I'm going to close here. This is nasty.
Stop filled.
All right. Out of the trade, I'll tell you exactly how much money we made, guys. 1,288 times 5 is $6,440 on the trade. We didn't get full TP that we wanted to, but that is okay. That's still a beautiful fucking trade right there, guys. That is still a beautiful trade. It was the most beautiful I've ever seen, but you know what? Market's too good to be true there. You can still hold in the trade if you want to. I'm going to run, guys. Beautiful day today. W in the chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to wrap it up with prayer, and then I got to go. But absolute beautiful, beautiful trading day today. Let's go. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins. And please give us the strength that we need to get through this day, Father. And just remind us that everything is part of your plan and there's green on the other side, Father. Thank you for everything. In Jesus Christ's holy, amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, fellas. I'll see you guys. PM session on TikTok, maybe. Other than that, take care. God bless you all. Stay safe. W trade. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, fellas.